A few weeks ago, I announced an exciting giveaway where 2 new subscribers to this channel would get a free drone each. It's time to choose a winner, so let's crack on with it. Thank you everybody that responded and subscribed to this channel and for all of the comments ever since. This channel is now well on its way to 1,000 subscribers, and hopefully you guys are really enjoying the raw, unedited and dynamic content, including raw clips direct from the SD cards of the drones that we test. Well, the time is up and finally we're going to be choosing our winners. So without delay, let's crack on. Okay, so we're using a random YouTube comment selector here, which is really good. It makes it completely random. So I'll paste the video URL into there. We're going to filter duplicate users because a few sneaky people commented multiple times. And just to let you know, for future giveaways, those users will get banned. And we're not going to filter for specific text because we didn't ask for any. Now we're going to get the comments and it's going to tell us how many. Now we had over 600 comments on this video, which is really impressive. Obviously I've responded to quite a few as well, hence the final entrants are 456. So now we're going to choose our 2 winners. We're going to scroll down here and when we click start, it's going to find the winner for us. Here we go. And the winner is Conbeer Stang. Not quite sure how to pronounce that, but congratulations. Let's have a quick look at your channel. So you've got 23 subscribers on here and a couple of videos, some random ones, one about noodles. Very random indeed, but congratulations, you are one of our winners here. So please see the details in the video description to understand how to get your prize. You have a week to claim it. But that's not all, folks. We have another drone to give away, so let's choose our next random winner. Here we go. And the next winner is Christian Gonzalez. Congratulations. Let's have a look at your channel, which looks like this. So you've got 3 subscribers, but don't worry, it takes a while to get that figure up. You'll get there eventually. Uploads, let's have a look. We've got an interesting video on Becky Newton-inspired braided hair. Well, good for you because now you can produce some drone videos. So well done. Once again, check the video description on how to claim your drone, and well done. So congratulations to those winners. Please check the video description for details on how to now claim your drone. And thank you again to everybody for supporting DroningON Live. This channel has a lot more to give, so keep watching. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that button now because this is the first of many giveaways.